Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Surya Rifki Fadilah and I'm from Group 10 Class 3 SC6. In this video, my friend and I are going to presenting our ISA's design and development of prototype IoT-based smart agriculture system. Our research is based on journal report from International Journal of Innovative Research in Science, Engineering, and Technology. So if you want to know more about this research, you can find it on the IGRSET website with the same title. There are 4 contents in this presentation. 2 of them will be presented by myself and the other will be presented by my friend Dia Zafira. First of all, I will introduce you what is the definition of Internet of Things. Internet of Things or IoT is a system interrelated computing device, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animal, or people that are provided with unique identifier and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. A thing in Internet of Things can be a person with heart monitor implant, a farm animal with biochip transponder, an automobile that has built-in sensors to alert the driver when the tire pressure is low, or any other natural or man-made object that can be assigned an internet protocol address and is able to transfer data over a network. The IoT bring the power to the IoT brings the power of internet data processing and analytics to the real world of physical objects. For consumer, this means interacting with the global information network without the intermediary of a keyboard and screen. Many of their everyday objects and appliances can take instructions from that network with minimal human intervention. And next, what is smart agriculture system? Or smart agriculture system or smart farming is a management concept focused on providing the agricultural industry with the infrastructure to leverage advanced technology, including big data, the cloud, and the Internet of Things, for tracking, monitoring, automating, and analyzing operations, also known as precision agriculture. Smart farming is software managed and sensor monitored. Smart farming is growing in importance due to combination of expanding global population, the increasing demand of higher crop yield, and the need to use natural resources efficiently. There are um, there are few smart farming technologies. There they are sensor for soil scanning and water, light, humidity, and temperature management. Telecommunication technologies such as advanced networking and GPS, and data analytic tools for decision making and prediction. Satellites and drones for gathering data around the clock for an entire field. This information is forwarded to IT system for tracking and analyzing to give an eye in the field or eye in the barn that makes remote monitoring possible. And what is benefit of smart farming? By making farming more connected and intelligent, precision agriculture helps reduce overall costs and improve the quality and quantity of products. The sustainability of agriculture and the experience for the consumer. Increasing control over production leads to better cost management and waste reduction. The creator of the journal that we use as a reference in this ISAS is using 9 tools. There are Atmega microcontroller, ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, signal conditioning circuit, LCD display units, buzzer, relays, and last is power supply. Next, my friend Dia Zafira will explain these 9 tools function and the block diagram of this smart agricultural system.
Hello, my name is Dia Zafira and I will continue the presentation. It is the developed IoT-based prototype smart agriculture system block diagram. This blue block is Atmega 328 microcontroller. The microcontroller is the main important part of this system. It is a single chip computer that contains the processor, non-volatile memory for the program, volatile memory for data input and output, a clock, and an I/O control unit, also called a computer on a chip. Next, this dark green block is for network. This Wi-Fi modem. The developer using ESP8266 microcontroller as a networking platform that establishes the internet connection to the microcontroller. It can also work on solar panel with recharging the battery. The output signal from most of the sensor is very small in amplitude, so signal conditioning circuit needs to amplify it. It is usually an instrumentation amplifier. It also has a filter to remove the unwanted signal from the original signal. Next, this gray block is sensor, temperature sensor, and humidity sensor. Temperature sensor is used to measure the atmospheric or ambient temperature of the agricultural field. Humidity is defined as the quantity of water present in air. This humidity in the air has an effect human and many manufacturing processes in industries and is very important in agriculture. Next, it is LCD display unit for displaying various prompts and status information of the system at on-site. Buzzer driver, when any parameter abnormality is sensed by the microcontroller through the sensors. An audio tone produced by a buzzer to alert. The controller controls the sound produced by buzzer through a drive transistor. Next is relays and relays driver. The relays operate the load to switch them on or off along with providing highest isolation from power circuit to control circuit. These relay drivers consist of an NPN transistor operate in CA configuration. It supplies current to the coil of the electromagnetic relay connect in its collector. And the last is power supply. Power supply, the power supply section will provide a regulated DC supply to all other subsystems of the main system. It derives power from AC mains and convert it into DC power at low voltage. The next is system software and operation. System software. The developer using Arduino IDE to write the software program. Arduino IDE is an open source platform. It is having both a physical microcontroller and software that run on the computer is used to write and upload program to the board. Next, the Atmega 328 controller in the Arduino board will collect data from the sensor and process them. compares them with the preset values and control the loads accordingly, and transfer the data to the Wi-Fi unit for uploading to cloud service. The developer using ThinkSpeak.com for cloud service. This prototype system works on AC mains, but it can be put on solar charged battery also. Experimental results. This is screenshot of result plotted for on ThinkSpeak Cloud platform. The IoT-based system can be used on farm or agriculture fields. The independent sensor will collect data for the monitoring system and further send signal to the actuators or relays in the control process. The system has the ability to connect physical objects as a sensor device, which are on the farm and can be accessed through the internet. This can be remotely monitor environmental conditions and therapy crop production process. This system helps the user to accomplish saving in input, achieve cost reduction, and trace the crop production process on the field. Field 3 chart is for temperature and field 4 chart for humidity. Conclusion from this presentation, it is an attempt to design and develop an IoT-based smart agriculture system that purpose the farmers can be easier to monitor the field condition from anywhere. The design system is very flexible, accurate, and work reliably, and can be practically used. By providing the web interface and automation, user can easily monitor the system and it will minimize the human intervention. The system has provided reliable solution in providing remote control and sensing for indoor or outdoor environmental monitoring system. The two of us make this presentation to complete the ISAS assessment. Hopefully, this presentation can be useful for all of us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.